Put the cones in the trunk and let's go to the other side. Put the cones in the trunk.
What?
Oh shit, he's behind us. I know. Oh my god.
What is he doing? Is there a problem? Should I
No.
click on the finger?
Race.
Should I run mine?
Get out for
No, just go straight up.
Go straight up.
Just drive straight up.
You get off on NASCAR if there's a problem.
Alright, bud.
Let's go.
Hey. Who's inside?